What's up, fuckers? It's your boy Julian here with a bike check video. I've been seeing these videos on the YouTube lately a lot, especially the fixed gear rider, and I'm a fixed gear rider myself. And so yeah, check my baby out. So she's a Fuji Declaration. This is a 2014. It's 49 extra small. That's what I ride. Yeah, man, this fucking bike, yeah, it has a story. You know, I got it at the bike shop that I used to work at, and yeah, pretty dope. Yeah, so let me tell you about it. It's a Fuji fixed geared. I ain't no running no single speed, no fucking freewheel. I got a Chris King headset. Yeah, pretty dope headset. I can't complain. I like it. I love it. Got my Evo headlight there. I usually, when honestly, I just put it on for the video, just so you, I don't know. But I usually don't have it on there. Just at nighttime. Only at night I put it. I also have the Zipp Service Course stem here, mounted on with a Specialized handlebar. This is their MTB style, and it's actually a 2014. I don't know if you guys could see that, but yeah. So I like that it matched with the ear of the bike. I honestly have a basic just carbon fiber seat post from Amazon, 40 bucks. And what I love about this bike is the integrated fucking seat clamp. All my bikes have that. My Crux has that. My GT has that. I'm just like, I love simplicity. I just love that shit, you know. Fucking love it. It's drilled out for brakes, but I ain't no bitch, so I took that shit out. And yeah, I'm running a 1548. This is my Miche Presta track crankset, the 2.0. It's about now it's like 140 or 30, I think, around there, 150, I'd say. I got it for like 180 when it first came out, and then it's married with some Ashton flat platform pedals off of Amazon. Alright, and now moving on to the seat tube right here. I have a Specialized carbon fiber water cage on with a Specialized water bottle. And on the saddle here I have a Specialized canopy. I believe that's how you pronounce it. And I got my little saddle bag here by Specialized too that mounts on to Specialized saddles, only Specialized saddles. And yeah, about the grips, I run Vans Coat grips, BMX style. Also in the front, if you didn't notice, I have my GoPro mount. And yeah, a little fun fact about this bike, I really don't have that much original shit on it. The only original shit is probably these two headset fork spacers, headset spacers, whatever you want to call them. Yeah, that's like the only original part. And then the wheels, the wheel set is probably the only original. The liner is different, the hubs are original from the bike. I just put cloth liners inside, and I run Panaracer tire, 700 by 28, 48 millimeter tire. I mean valve. Sorry. And yeah, I got an All City Cobb 1548, like I said. And then I got I have no idea how you pronounce this fucking brand name, but it's Izumi, Izumi chain, 1 1/8. And yeah, that's my baby. I fucking had this bitch for about like a year or two now. She has her battle scars, a bunch of scratches, and this one I fucking did at a fucking light turned red, and I fucking smashed into the little sign that you have to push. And yeah, this is my bike. I got a Pro Wheel bottom bracket. That's what I run. That's what fits this. You got other brands that fit this crankset, but anyways, got some fans here. But that's and well, yeah, this is it, guys. My fucking 5th gear, my Fuji declaration. And yeah, I'll see y'all on the next video. Peace.